Hi, today we will be talking about the rust in the frame of a dual sport motorcycle, which usually causes cracks and breaks in the frame and subframe, especially on the left side of the motorcycle. The solution is simple, which is spraying anti-rust compound in the openings of the frame where water penetrates. Usually these openings are just sometimes breathers and sometimes they are just holes which wire retainers or cable retainers uh, are attached to the frame, so the cables are attached to. What we will use here is a compound called fluid film. I picked up this compound after extensive research online and I found it's the best automotive anti-rust corrosion. I will be applying this fluid film or the anti-corrosion compound to the frame of this motorcycle through different openings, which is on the top subframe where the some screws or nuts and bolts go, and some like this hole. It's just a retainer hole, which is used to clip on these ties, whatever they call them. I call them wire retainers, and the subframe. This is a breather hole. You spray left and right to be sure it's covering as much as possible, and also where the welds are, which holds the tail light, the seat, the top rack. All these are weak points, and water there tends to stay and alongside with dirt and corrode quickly over time. This is also the connecting bar between the frame, and it has a breather inside. This is where there is cable retainers which hold the side stands wire. See here where how the corrosion is coming out after a crack. It's always on the left side of the frame of the motorcycle, because when you put the motorcycle on the side stand, it leans to the left, which will make all the fluids travel from the right side of the motorcycle to the left side and corrode from inside to the outside. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day and trips in the future.